how mind and body is connected. If you do not take care of your body, that will affect your mind. And if you do not take care of your mind, that will affect your body. Think of the times when you're nervous, you're feeling anxious. Maybe you will take an exam or a job interview. You're feeling tense, your body is feeling tense. Or you could even sweat. And some people could even develop other symptoms like stomach pain or headache, right? That happens. Or when you're not emotionally feeling well, you're really feeling sad. Most of the people, when they are feeling emotionally sad, are not feeling well physically either. They just want to lay down, take some rest, or just go asleep. When something unpleasant happens, or if you argue with someone, that could just make you feel like you're physically drained. It could just give you headache or other physical symptoms, and sometimes can even affect your blood pressure. Emotional responses can trigger changes in heart rate and breathing. Your nervous system is part of the body. It's responsible for various bodily functions. Our mental and emotional state affects our overall health. If you're under stress for a long time because of work or a toxic person in your life, you are much more likely to develop a physical health issue. Your immune system gets weak. If you analyze carefully, you will see times in your life when you repress your emotions that manifests in physical symptoms, because mind and body is deeply interconnected, influencing each other. So being able to express your emotions is really important. If you're feeling tired without any reason, you haven't done anything physically to get you tired, but physically you have the symptoms of feeling tired, your body feels exhausted. In that situation, I would say, look at how you are actually feeling emotionally, and turn inside and examine your thoughts, your stress levels, your mental state during that time. Usually something is going on in your feelings area. When you manage to eliminate negative thoughts, that affects how you are feeling. That puts you in a better mood, and your physical energy levels increase too. Moreover, like your mental and emotional state can affect your physical well-being, your body, your physical state can affect your mental state, your mood, your mind as well. Having physical pain or illnesses can lead to mentally not feeling well or feeling depressed or anxiety. On the flip side, getting some physical activity, eating healthy food, getting some sleep, especially between the hours that align with body's circadian rhythm, the natural clock of the body, can really improve the mood and cognitive functioning. Especially the sleep between the hours of 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. is really important. If you're not feeling well, going on a walk, doing some form of exercise, dancing, some physical activity can make you feel better, and it can ease your emotional stress. The physical activity makes you release endorphins, the feel-good hormones. I encourage you to take care of both your physical and mental well-being without neglecting either of them. Do not wait for serious things to happen in your life, like an illness, an extreme life event, a divorce, just something that makes you have to take care of your well-being because you're not feeling well during that time. Just take care of your mind, your soul, your body before the life-changing events happen. If you enjoyed this video and you would like me to make more videos on physical and emotional well-being, please be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and please don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm putting a video right here where I talk about a few habits that help with both physical and emotional well-being at the same time. I recommend you to click on that and watch that video as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.